Good morning, YouTube. Scott Off-Road. How you doing today? Well, it is a beautiful day out here in Nebraska. It's early December, and we got a quick and easy project on the Jeep today. So today, my almost 17-year-old winch is going wireless. Let's see what's going to happen. Alright, here we go. Picked this up the other day. It is the wireless control system by Warren to go on their Warren winches. Should be a 5-minute install. Well, that is if I'm smart enough to open the package and the one bolt that I think I have to take off doesn't fight me. So, let's see what happens. Alright, the directions look pretty darn simple on this. In fact, it looks like something I didn't even expect. That's all there is to do on this. It's pre-programmed, pre-wired up. Turn on, press and hold the buttons, 3 seconds. Oh, there it went. Green light came on, didn't see it from my angle. Simple as that. Even tells you in and out. Turn it off. Push hold for 3 seconds. Light goes off. Done. Wired. That's awesome. The only thing left is hooking up the holster where it stays in the Jeep. So we'll go do that now. Alright. So this little bracket just snaps on the back. Run a screw through, run 2 screws to this, and you got a nice little loop. Problem is, I don't have anything in this Jeep that's small enough that that would fit on. So I don't know that I'm going to use that. There is a loop there. I mean, I could potentially, just depending on where I want it mounted, if I go here, it's in the way of the airbag. I guess I could go there and just run a screw into the dash. But as I look at this, I know what I'm going to do. All right, that's it. The little tether is on. I just got it tethered to my LED light mount. We'll go on the trail. That's where it goes when we're off the trail. Goes in the tool bag. This was not an option that was available when I bought this winch almost 17 years ago now. And just a nice little upgrade for it. Now I just gotta make sure I don't lose it. As always, you guys have a blessed day. Remember, you fix the Jeep fixes you.